Morning everybody.
Good morning.
And welcome to Palmanova Day 4. Day 4. Today is beach day and here is the beach that we're on right now. Our beach is somewhere like over there, the closest one to our hotel.
What are you wearing then?
I am wearing, hold on, let me put my Primark sunglasses on that I've lived in every day.
And your hat that you've lived in every day?
I've lived in every day. The only thing that's different today is my, is it a quad?
Yeah,
basketball quad thing from, as you can tell, Boohoo Man.
Let us see it, Ninny, in all its glory.
And I've also got some
so cute
Primark swimming shorts underneath to go in the sea, you know, as you do.
And nothing on your feet.
And bare feet. So, what have you got on your feet?
Little shelves.
Shelves. Shelves. Right.
A little shelf thing from eBay.
That's cute.
Little mesh cover up with pineapples on from Primark. Bum bag that I've lived in this holidays from Primark. I've got white bikini bottoms on from Primark. A cactusy. Can you see it under?
Yeah, sequin print cactus pink bra.
Yeah.
From Bikini Top.
From Primark. Some little flower things from Boys.
Look at these. Hang on, Din. Let's just show the detail of these little braids. Look at them and the cute little flowers from Boys.
Thanks.
So beautiful.
Then glasses of H&M and then just the white bandana.
Oh, we didn't tell you yesterday. If you've seen the vlog yesterday, you'll realise that at the start, Danielle had a little red bandana in.
Yep.
And then by the time it ended,
my hair was feeling a bit free towards the end of the day. So I went to tie it up and I was like, oh. And then as it gone like down the back of my head.
And I was like, oh no, it's not in there. Didn't where's it gone?
And then we looked on the video after the harbour, it wasn't on my head anymore.
That was the last time we had it, wasn't it, on the harbour?
Yeah.
So she's lost the red one.
Lost it somewhere
and you
in
were
the
so
water.
upset, weren't you? Because it was silk.
Yeah, it was. I only have two silk ones, a lilac one and a red one, and I don't have another red bandana.
Oh. Well, let's just enjoy beach day, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. A little haul from what we got from the shop. Volleyball, because I'm just like a wildcat today.
The cutest little
bat and ball you've ever seen. Some clothes pegs, you know, to keep our towels on the beds, stop them from blowing away, Din, isn't that right? So let's put our sun cream on, Din.
Yeah.
Get coated up.
Yeah.
And brave the waters. What do you say?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look at our little bat.
Look at these. Happy Love Mallorca.
They're so hippie.
Yeah, I love it. So it's cold. Like, once your body gets used to it, it's lovely. eBay underwater
focus.
And you're going to test to see if it records underwater.
I'm going to see your shorts then.
I'll put the bats there.
Okay.
You might have to be closer.
What?
Go under.
I dare?
I dare you.
That's so scary.
Is there any water in it?
I don't know. I'm going to check.
Everybody, we are back. I thought you were going to say it, so I waited. We're back from the beach. Actually, we've been back for quite a few hours.
Yeah.
And we've got all ready, as you can see. We've got different clothing.
I didn't really get ready.
You got your chill clothes on, you called it. Yeah, we're all ready, and we're just going to go down for something to eat, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to have a... I know,
Are you hungry?
we said it yesterday. We're having a chill night.
No, we really are. We're not going out the hotel.
We're not going out the hotel.
To ensure we do
exactly.
have a chilled night.
We're just going to have some dinner.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just going to go down for some dinner now.
I've got wet hair. I'm not bothered.
Not
Just
bothered.
don't care.
Don't care. On the camera. Oh yes, you can. And like I've caught it on my face and on my neck. But never mind.
Silly.
It'll all be good.
Cream on, though.
Oh yeah, we put loads on.
I feel like it's impossible not to get
Sunburn.
a bit sunburn.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
see you soon.
See you soon. Okay guys, so on the menu tonight is pork, chips, crackling and a chicken croquette, is that what they're called?
They're nice, Lily.
And the bread bun with a Fanta lemon. They're nice. Are they? What did you get? Did you get different? Chicken croquettes, global pizza, a bread bun, lettuce, chips, mayonnaise and a Diet Coke? Yes please. So guys, couldn't resist getting the chocolate fountain. However, it is dark chocolate and I'm not a massive fan of dark chocolate. And then we just got some strawberry and vanilla ice cream with caramel sauce. And you got the same thing, didn't you? Except that, whatever that is.
I actually don't know. I'll try it.
Well then, taste test.
I can actually get some of it.
Cream cake? Nice.
Can you hold it?
Time for the super bad angle again. And the second night in a row then.
Yeah.
But we've decided that we're just going to leave the vlog here for tonight. Because all we're just doing is just sitting in the room and just chilling, aren't we, Din?
Yeah, I'm gonna do some editing of this
Beach.
vlog.
Yeah. Actually
We've got smoky bacon crisps.
Yep.
Smoky bacon crisps.
Yep.
And Haribo
What
Discount
are they?
Fisher.
Fresa.
Yeah, I got us them.
What are they? Like little strawberry laces, but
Yeah,
rolled up.
rolled up, yeah, like wheels.
Nice one.
Alright then. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Bye.
Peace out.